Hello silly bakers, let's make creamy pumpkin pie jello. First, we are going to grab 4 glasses. You can also use a large container with a lid if you prefer. We're going to add 1.5 cups of plain Greek yogurt in a large measuring cup. And we are going to grab a medium saucepan. I'm going to put that on our burner here, and we're going to add 1 cup of milk. You can use any kind of milk you like. We're using 7 grams or 1 packet of gelatin powder. I love the Organica brand, the bovine gelatin powder. This is a loose powder. It's one of my favorites. We're going to add our sweetener of choice, which is maple syrup, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons. You can use any sweetener that you like. I'm going to add 1 heaping teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I will include the pumpkin spice blend in the description box for you. Teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. If you want to add protein powder, I would add it now and mix it through the cold ingredients before you turn on the heat. So we're going to turn on the heat to about a medium, and we're going to mix all of these ingredients, and we're going to bring this up to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, we are going to add our pumpkin puree. This is 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree. And we're just going to whisk that through, and then we're going to bring this back to a simmer. And once it comes up to a simmer again, just a light bubble, we're going to take it off the heat. We're going to let it cool down for about 2 minutes or so. And then we are going to pour that into our Greek yogurt. And with your whisk, we're just going to whisk these ingredients until it's nice and smooth. I've made a few Jello variations in the past few months, and my favorite is the coffee, which I'm going to link here for you. But this is now one of my favorites. I love pumpkin pie. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Once that's all incorporated and mixed through, we're going to grab our glasses and we're going to pour the mixture almost to the top. Perfect. And now it's time to refrigerate. We're going to refrigerate for a minimum of 3 hours. After 3 hours, you can see it's completely firmed up. You can eat this as is with a little sprinkle of cinnamon, but I love to add just a little bit of whipped cream and just a pinch of cinnamon. You could eat this for breakfast. You can eat this as a dessert. It's such a versatile recipe. Enjoy this creamy pumpkin pie jello. About 170 calories, about 12 grams of protein, and perfect any time of day. If you love pumpkin pie and pumpkin pie filling, you are going to love this. So good.